How to transfer WhatsApp messages without cable. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer WhatsApp messages without cable. Now, in order to transfer WhatsApp messages without cable, you can transfer it from Android to another Android device. You can transfer it from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android as well. All you have to do is you can simply open up WhatsApp, tap on the three dots option at the top right. In case of iPhone, the interface will be different, but you'll have to head into settings. Under settings, now you'll find the option that says chats. You want to tap on it. And now here you can see the option that says transfer chats and chat backup. If you want to transfer chat from Android to Android, you can simply use the transfer chat option. So you can simply tap on it and then tap on start and go ahead through the prompts. If you wish to transfer it on other devices, you can simply tap on chat backup option and then you can simply go ahead and back up your chat. Simply tap on backup and then go ahead and back up everything, every chat, include your media and such. And once you do so, now you can open up WhatsApp on other device and then you can log into your account. It'll ask you to recover your backed up chats. You can recover it and you're good to go. So this way you can transfer chats on WhatsApp without cable. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.